In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for optimizing your job application process as you aim for a marketing coordinator position in 2025. Whether you're looking to refine your resume, tailor your cover letter, practice for interviews, or even organize an efficient job search plan, you'll find this guide incredibly useful. Let's begin by accessing ChatGPT. The first thing you'll want to do is open your web browser and head over to chat.openai.com. From there, log into your account and start a new chat session. This will prepare us to optimize your job application materials. Now, let's focus on enhancing your resume. Imagine your current resume includes details like residing in Manila, Philippines, with 2 years of experience as a social media assistant, handling Facebook and Instagram content for a local clothing brand. Your skills include Canva design, basic video editing, content scheduling, and community engagement, with a Bachelor of Arts in Communication. You want to transform these details into a professionally crafted resume suited for a marketing coordinator role. Ask ChatGPT to act as your career coach. It can help rewrite your resume to sound more professional, incorporate strong action verbs, highlight measurable achievements, and focus on your digital marketing skills, tailoring it for a 2025 context. Next, we turn our attention to crafting a compelling cover letter. Request ChatGPT to generate a professional cover letter aimed at a marketing coordinator position within a tech startup. Emphasize the 2 years of social media management, your proficiency in Canva, and your proven ability to grow engagement. Make sure your cover letter is concise, under 250 words, and persuasive. End it with a firm call to action, encouraging the employer to reach out for an interview. Your preparation wouldn't be complete without some interview practice. Instruct ChatGPT to adopt the role of an interviewer for a marketing coordinator role. It will ask you 5 common interview questions, such as, "Tell me about yourself," or "How do you measure success in a campaign?" After you've given your answers, ChatGPT can provide valuable feedback, helping you fine-tune your responses for the real thing. Additionally, optimizing your resume with the right keywords is crucial. Ask ChatGPT to list 15 important keywords that recruiters typically search for in resumes for a marketing coordinator role. It can show you how to naturally integrate these keywords into your resume, avoiding common pitfalls like keyword stuffing. Finally, let's organize your job search strategy. Direct ChatGPT to create a strategic 30-day job search plan tailored for an aspiring marketing coordinator. This plan should include daily and weekly tasks, such as updating your LinkedIn profile, applying to 5 jobs per day, engaging in networking strategies, and preparing thoroughly for interviews. Follow these steps and you'll be well equipped to stand out in your job search and land the marketing coordinator role you've been aiming for. Good luck!